Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, one more day left in the Try to Believe It body care sale. I got to talk about sweet whiskey. Oh my goodness. So I think right now, this is like one of my favorite fall scents. I'm always digging sweet whiskey. Bonfire Bash is, of course, like one of my all-time favorite scents for fall. Only, we didn't get it back this year. Instead, we got Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, which is a sibling slash cousin. I'm actually going to review this. I did use the shower gel. I do like it. It's a great product. It's just not Bonfire Bash. I don't know where it is. I think the last time we saw it, was it the faceted, that gray faceted? I should have stocked up a little bit more on the shower gel. It was part of the summer collection. I don't know why they didn't bring it back, because everybody loves it, unless we're getting it for Christmas. So sweet whiskey has actually been my go-to this year. I gotta say, I love the packaging on this. We've got the Sunrise Woods in the red. We've got the Moonlit Martini in the green. I need to review this one. But sweet whiskey is definitely like my happy place. I just threw the bottle out this morning when I was organizing my faceted sweet whiskey. So this is what it looks like. I gotta say, I love the packaging. I love the brown metallic top on these. It's super classy, and it just looks like my kind of fall. I just like it a lot. And we also have it in the Diamond Shimmer Mist, which I'm so happy about. It also comes in, of course, the body lotion. It comes in a hand cream, the body cream. Oddly, we do not have it in a moisturizing body wash. Don't know why. Hand soap. It's funny. I don't like the candle. I don't know why. It comes in one of those cut glass jars. It just doesn't do anything for me. I don't know. I've said that before. I'm not a huge fan of the candle, but it's one of my favorites in the body care. Honestly, showering with this one is just a delight, I gotta say. So it's golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, and sweet red berries. It's got a nice, heavy, boozy scent, but the vanilla kind of evens it out. And then those berries just bring it up a notch. And it's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. It's definitely a unisex scent, which I love. I feel like everyone's going to love this one. It's just such a favorite of mine. The only thing, if you're super into food, you're not going to get a really heavy foodie vibe from this one. And if you like florals, this might not be your thing. But if you like anything in the vanilla, boozy, amber, cozy scent, I think you're going to love it. I am not seeing... Oh, there it is. I was like, why am I not seeing the Diamond Shimmer Mist? I got the Diamond Shimmer Mist, you guys. I was so happy I got the Diamond Shimmer Mist. These are one thing. I really love collecting these. This is like one thing. I'm trying to be good about overstocking on products, but for some reason, my Diamond Shimmer Mists are like a favorite. You can't really see on my arm here. I think you can see this even in my good lighting. Maybe a little. There's like a little bit of a diamond glow. And it smells equally good. The Diamond Shimmer Mists feel like they're pretty stable this year. Sometimes you get one and it's like sinks to the bottom. We had a really bad year for, remember when they did Love, Hope, Peace? The Love one was terrible. Like all my glitter was at the bottom of the bottle. It was terrible. So I don't know what's going on with that, but they fixed it, which is good. Really wish they had sweet whiskey in the bar soap. We need a bar soap and sweet whiskey. We need a deodorant. I would use the deodorant. You know what else we need? We need hair care. I would totally do sweet whiskey with the hair care. That is 1 cent. That and strawberry pound cake, I think I would actually wash my hair with to get the scent going. We do have coffee and whiskey in the bar soap, but that's a little bit more intense. I actually prefer the sweet whiskey. Now we just need Bonfire Bash. Where is it? I don't care what kind of bottle they put it in. They can put it in a Land O'Lakes butter spray bottle for all I care. I need it back. Where's Bonfire Bash? I don't know. I just think it's very odd this year that we didn't get it because I know it's popular. So I don't know. Maybe it'll come out for Christmas or the New Year, but I'm putting it out there. We need the Bonfire Bash. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of Sweet Whiskey. If you're brand new to Bath & Body Works, today is the day to get this to try it. $6.50, $5.50. And if you have a coupon, you're even going to get it for less. I'm kind of debating if I want to stock up a little bit more, but there's more sales coming. There's always another sale. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. I got Cosmic Brownies next. Bye-bye.